Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another video presentation on SEI cryptocurrency price prediction for late January 2024, aiming to discover what's happening in this cryptocurrency at the moment, especially that we are having quite of a strong sell-off going on once again. For the last 24 hours, we're down by 12%, the last 7 days are down by almost 17%, and we are speaking about a strong sell-off in the space of crypto, which is amongst 100 cryptos on CoinMarketCap, the first 100 cryptos out there. SEI is ranked number 1 by the decreases of the past 24 hours. Just like we were ranked very well when we were pumping, we clearly gotta know the fact that this cryptocurrency, they're doing 25-30% in a day, are also decreasing easily double digits every single time we have markets dumping. So keeping that in mind, we would like to advance, and before we get into the topic, make sure to check out the YouTube channel for many other educational materials. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to the channel, guys. It is a great moment for education. At the same time, we have my live trades published from where you can get inspired and find out more about it in the way I perform, and you can actually join my trading if you think so. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits we achieve, where we perform the trading for you in a done for you system, a system which is through API trading, and it allows us to perform and execute trades. Simple and straightforward, guys. This is my trading journal on a spreadsheet, and I can share with you more details on that. Feel free to reach out as well. We're going to speak about the one-on-one coaching at the end of the video. For those of you that are looking for financial freedom, this is a great alternative. Now, what's going on with the SEI crypto out here? I mean, it's continuously dumping for a while already. If I measure on the 4-hour candlesticks, we have a sell-off that is running through 4 days and 16 hours, and it's representing 32%. This is not a joke, of course. There's a lot of the people that got liquidated. There's a lot of the people got stuck out on the futures market. When you do 32% from the tops, you can imagine that anyone that got into above the golden pocket, which is in between the two horizontal lines that we have, which means anything above 77 cents, anyone that got into, say, crypto above 77 cents in this area, which is, by the way, filled up with a lot of liquidity and volume. If we measure the volume on that area, you are going to see that that it's very, very strong, more than 400, 500, 600 million dollars out there in transactions every day. So speaking about that situation, when the markets are clearly opening quite of a big trades out there, believing in another continuation of the all-time high for SEI crypto, things got into a powerful sell-off. One thing that is very sure is we have been facing this situation back in the day as well, with 34% retracement in 4 days and 4 hours. This was created around the beginning of January, and now we're actually reprinting the same pattern. One very specific outcome is we have moved from that low in 9 days and 16 hours, 50%, guys. So it's definitely something that I would love to make sure you guys understand, that we are forming patterns that are having the ability to communicate with us. At the moment, we're actually trading in the triangle of liquidity situated in the previous low. So it is a place where we could have a great reaction. At the same time, there is an order block here of trading, which is also a great place of reaction. So anything basically which sticks up with the liquidity above 55 cents is a great place of reaction for, SEI crypto on the 4-hour candlesticks. Even starting from the 200 days moving average, which is not looking great at the moment, of course. There's still an hour and 31 minutes to go for this candle to close, but potentially there's going to be a closing below 200 days. Obviously, not a disastrous situation if you are having the ability to recover the line by doing this. So that would be actually necessarily in terms of recovering our position towards the upside. One thing is very important, and is that our 200 days moving average line will go like this, and we cannot get rejected by it. If we get rejected, we're continuing even lower towards the next structure of support, which will appear on 45 cents, guys. That's something you gotta consider. Obviously, then the sell-off from the top is gonna be 50%. Do you enjoy seeing such numbers? Well, definitely not, which is why you have to understand the way the markets are functioning, have the ability to understand the language of the market and trade properly. This is why skills and knowledge are very important, guys. Without them, you're actually losing everything you're making during the markets that are going up or during the markets that are going down. In a nutshell, you are trading a direction, and if the market is going the other direction and it starts being under a different dominant of the energy, you're completely losing everything you have generated as a surplus. And on top of that, a lot of the people are losing their initial investments as well. So it's very dangerous to start trading and working with the cryptocurrencies if you don't have the level of knowledge that is required. Of course, education takes time and investment as well, but it is the best way probably to not only start this business, but at the same time to offer yourself a chance. That's the idea. Now, that's pretty much all around, say, cryptocurrency for the moment. Definitely not in a great shape as well. If we are looking for a reaction here, which is awaited, as soon as the reaction appears, we would like to measure that and see for a potential dominance. If the dominance appears in board, which could appear basically in the next 48 hours, then we are looking for seeing a movement to the volume profile range, the fixed volume profile range. The price is situated on 72 cents, as well touching the golden pocket encircled area. That would be a great target. So from this level, folks, we're looking for a bounce back of 28%, which would not be a big deal. And it would also allow the markets, if they would like to become bearish, to establish a top right there, and then you can create a downtrending line and follow through the process like this, right? So you can create basically a movement like that if that's what you want, with a breakout afterwards somewhere in February, continue to go to the highs. This is something really, really feasible. Beautiful. That's where we are, folks. Once again, for those of you that would like to join my Done For You trading and be part of the movement, feel free to reach out. At the same time, if you care about your education and skills, and if you think there is room for you to get improved in terms of becoming a professional trader, whether we speak about part-time or full-time, it matters to do it correctly. Then feel free to reach out for this one-on-one coaching between 4 to 6 weeks with me live, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Enjoy, guys. We'll talk to you soon.